Oh, this fish. Not a big fella. This fish. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Hey, oh, rock bass. Sweet. Ain't beautiful. Man, y'all look pretty fish. There you go, buddy. Get you loose. All right. Appreciate you, buddy. What in the world? Caught a minnow. Wow. I did catch a minnow. Look at that. That's amazing. You can leave you on the hook and catch a real fish. All right, Don. All right. That's strange. Kind of shad. There's a little bass. There's a little bass. There's a little bass following you. You see my boat now, don't you? Sorry, buddy. Get it on in here. We'll get you out. There we go. Whoa, whoa. All right, buddy. All right. There you go. There's a little. Leave that spot. I can get you to get your fin up. Yep. A little spotted bass. What you been doing, man? Somebody been nibbling on you. Appreciate you, buddy. There's a nice fish. What is that? What is that? A little bass. I hear you, buddy. Come on here. Come on in here. Beautiful little spot. Let me see. Oh, come on, man. Come on. You mad, ain't you? I hear you. I hear you, buddy. All right, be cool. Be cool. Let me get you in the boat. Let's get you in the boat. Get these hooks off of you. All right. All right. There we go. One more hook. Oh, Mr. Rapala or Rapala, however you say it. Caught us a fish today. I got tiny treble hooks. I can't hardly hold them. Man, you are beautiful, brother. You are a beautiful fish. Look at those spots. Man, it's gorgeous. Thank you, buddy. Oh, one mad little fish. Oh! Dang! Woo! He's mad too. Look at that. Barely big. Oh, it's a baby smallmouth. No wonder you're fighting like that. Huh. That's cool. Got smallies in here. Hang on, buddy. I'm going to get you loose.
GoPro, turn off.
Oh. All right. We got smallmouth.
GoPro, start recording.
We're going to change our attitude a little bit.
Look at there.
Pretty little baby smallmouth.
Liam's on your poles there. Watch that. There you go. You're free, I think.
Thank you, buddy.
Nice.
There's a little fish. What we got there? Well, that's another smallie. He's fighting like a smallie. Hang on, buddy. Yeah, you fighting like a smallmouth. Yeah, a little baby smallie. A little bigger than the last one. Come on, buddy. Oh, you about got off, didn't you? You about got off. Oh, you did get off. Hey, you got me back. Got me back, bro. Whew. All right. A little bit bigger smallmouth. Thanks, buddy. Come on there, little buddy. Come on. I feel like I just barely hooked you. I feel like I just barely hooked you. Well, made me lose my Googan, man. All right. Another little spot. Thank you, buddy. Sorry, getting more than the camera can see him. There we go. Oh, there's one. Ooh, he was running with it. I didn't know if I had to get that slack out or not. Ooh. Oh, hang on, buddy. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on, son. Hang on. You're pulling me into the honey hole here. Pulling it up. Smalley. I can't see. Yes. That is awesome. That is awesome, buddy. Come on. Come on back. Come on back. Just gonna get your picture. Just gonna want to get your picture, buddy. Come on. There you go. There you go. There we go. Love catching the smallies. All right, buddy. Sorry about that. Sorry it took so long. Pretty little smallmouth. Thanks, man. All right, you two. Had the camera off. Managed to hook another smallie. Switch to a Googan crawl. I'll show you that in a minute. Still nothing big, but hey, it's catching. Beautiful fish. All right. That Googan rattling chunk. Got his very own rattle inside. Can't really hear it, but there you go. Anyway, first time caught anything on the crawl. That is summer crawl color. Yeah, there you go. That little rock bass. There ain't no shortage of you dudes out here, is it? I mean, no shortage. Hey, buddy. You're wearing that thing out. You're wearing that thing out. Thanks, buddy. I wonder why a smallmouth ain't eating that color. That's what I'd like to be catching.
Oh.